Okay, so in this video, I want to show you how to do the 8 braid. So I have my 8 strands here, 4 beige on this side and 4 blue on this side. For the sake of it, I'm going to call this side A and side B. So the 8 braid is very similar to the 4 braid in the other video, where you're going to be taking the outer strand, going underneath and through the middle. The main thing to remember when doing these braids is to alternate sides. Okay, so to start this 8 braid, I'm going to start on side A. I'm going to take the outer strand, go underneath everything and through the middle of side B. You can see right here I have 2 strands of blue on this side, 2 strands of blue on this side. Go through the middle, come back out, and go back towards side A. Remember to alternate. So now I'm going to take the outer strand of side B, go underneath everything, through the middle. As you can see, still 2 strands on the inside and 2 strands on the outside. Through the middle and have that strand return back to side B. So now take the outer strand on this side, side A, through the middle of side B and return back. This 8 braid, it gets a little tricky, especially in the beginning. Still follow the rules of taking the outer strand, going through the middle, and returning back to the side it came from. It helps with it, just because when you're starting this braid, it can look a little weird in the beginning, because now we're managing 8 strands, yeah? But that's basically it. Taking the outer strand, going underneath, through the middle, and returning back to the side it came from. And then alternate, taking this side, the outer strand, going underneath, through the middle, and returning back to the side it came from. As you can see, when doing this 8 braid, I chose colors just so it helps see, or it helps you to see a little bit easier, that I still have all of my beige strands on one side and all of my blue strands on one side. You want to make sure that these strands that you're pulling from stay on the side that they came from. And this is the 8 braid. You would want, when doing the 8 braid, you want your braid to basically look almost like a square. So you can see, like, I have a distinct face here, corner, a distinct face, corner, distinct face, corner, and yeah, a distinct face. So that's what the 8 braid will look like, this cubish shape. One thing you can do, if you do put this down and leave, you can look to make sure, you know, what side was the last one that I just did, to help you get back on track and to know which side to take the outer strand from. So as you can see, I have this one, it's my last one, it's going towards this side. So that tells me I have to grab the outer strand from the other side, this side. Going underneath, through the middle, and back to the side it came from. Yeah, this is the 8 braid.